Do you know what all of us do without exception? Eat. And you can turn that into a profitable business from home. With these 15 machines, producing food has never been easier or more accessible. Stay until the end and get ready to learn how to start a successful business and begin making money in the world of food. Number 15. Chocolate printer. We all love giving chocolates as gifts, but let's be honest, they're always the same. The same boxes, the same flavors. What if you could break the routine? With a chocolate printer, you can turn cocoa into true pieces of edible art, names, logos, or unique custom-made designs. For around $2,600, this machine lets you create gifts that not only look amazing, but also leave a lasting impression. Perfect for any occasion, from birthdays to corporate events. You load the chocolate, choose the design, and within minutes you have a bar with a message, a logo, or a holiday shape. Each one sells for between $5 and $20. The key? Personalization. Weddings, birthdays, businesses, Valentine's Day. There's always demand. And if you use organic cocoa or flavors like sea salt or nuts, you'll stand out even more. All from home, no workshop needed, just creativity. Post them on social media, and the orders will come by themselves. And if chocolate turns moments into memories, just imagine what you could do with something even more irresistible. The perfect empanada. Number 14. Empanada machine. Want to sell empanadas at a professional level with no production limits? With a forming machine starting at $700, you can make up to 1,000 empanadas per hour, all perfectly sealed and ready to sell or cook. Just place the dough, add the filling, and in seconds you have a flawless empanada. From classic beef to goat cheese and spinach versions. Each unit costs just cents to make and sells for at least $1. The best part? Its versatility, sweet or savory, mini or large. Ideal for fairs, events, or delivery. Post them on social media with great flavors and attractive photos, and you'll see your brand take off. You don't need a factory, just a great recipe and a solid strategy. And if you enjoy working with dough, wait until you see what you can do with sugar and flour. Number 13. Cake printer. What if I told you that you can take cake decorating to the next level? With a cake printer starting at $1,200, you can print custom designs onto cakes, cookies, or cupcakes, with finishes so precise they look like edible artwork. Just choose the image, place the cake, and in minutes you have a flawless design from cartoon characters to corporate logos. Each cake can sell for between $20 and $50. With just 5 orders a day, your earnings can be pretty solid. The key is personalization. Birthdays, weddings, anniversaries, or corporate events. Everyone wants something unique. You don't need to be a professional baker. With some practice and good taste, you can offer irresistible themed packages. Let's move from pastry to bakery with the next machine. Number 12. Croissant machine. Who can resist a morning coffee, especially when it comes with a freshly baked croissant? With a shaping machine for just $600, you can produce up to 200 croissants a day. Ready to sell, to pair with a great espresso, or simply to win someone over with the first bite. Just prepare the dough, run it through the machine, and in minutes you have perfect croissants ready to bake. Classic, filled with chocolate, ham and cheese, or topped with almonds. The options are endless to help you stand out. Each croissant costs 30 cents to make and sells for 80 cents or more. Perfect for coffee shops, fairs, or delivery, this machine combines quality with speed. You don't need a big space, just a passion for baking and a clear strategy. But many people are looking for healthier options, and for them, I've also got the perfect solution. Number 11. Gluten-free bread machine. Gluten-free bread is no longer just a trend. It's a growing movement every single day, and you can take advantage of it. With a bread machine for just $120, you can bake from home and meet a real demand in the healthy eating world. How does it work? Just add the ingredients, choose the program, and in a couple of hours you have a perfect gluten-free loaf ready to sell. From simple loaves to versions with seeds or nuts, each 500-gram loaf costs between $1 and $2 to produce and sells for between $3 and $5. Best of all, the demand for gluten-free products keeps growing, and you can tap into it with a small but scalable business. Sell at local markets, through social media, or even to coffee shops. It's simple, healthy, and full of potential. But there will always be room for a guilty pleasure, and the next machine is perfect for that. Number 10. Donut machine. Who can resist a fluffy donut covered in glaze that practically begs to be devoured? With a donut machine for less than $100, you can start producing from home and turn that craving into a business no one can ignore. So how does it work? Just mix the ingredients, fill the molds, and in minutes you've got donuts ready to decorate. Each one costs about 20 cents in ingredients and sells for $1 or more, especially if you add fillings or fancy toppings. They're perfect for birthdays, offices, or fairs, and they shine on social media with themed boxes for Valentine's Day or Christmas. Post photos of your creations on Instagram, and the orders will come rolling in. But let's say you want to start a business with something more savory. Then I've got the perfect machine for that too. Number 9. Burger forming machine. Want to create a burger line that becomes everyone's favorite? With a patty forming machine, you can make perfect burgers in seconds, ready to cook or freeze and instantly win over customers. It costs around $800, but it's definitely worth it. So what will you do with this machine? Simple. Mix meat or vegetables, place the portion, and the machine shapes perfectly uniform patties. From beef to vegan options, you can produce 100 units a day, at a cost of 50 cents per unit and a sale price of $1 or more. Its versatility is its strength. Sell through food trucks, restaurants, or create a line of frozen burgers for supermarkets. With a unique recipe and solid packaging, your brand can grow fast. The next machine is ideal for creating the perfect sidekick to those burgers. Number 8. French fry style cutter machine. Who can resist the irresistible charm of crispy French fries? No one, right? And with an automatic potato cutting machine, you can turn regular potatoes into a business that just keeps growing. It's priced at around $1,200, but what this machine can do will amaze you. Just place a potato into the rotating drum, and you get perfect cuts in seconds, ready to fry. With interchangeable blades, you can offer spiral fries, waffle fries, or rustic cuts. And the best part is, it works for all kinds of vegetables. A kilogram of fries ready to cook sells for about $5, and making it will only cost you $1. Definitely a solid profit. It's ideal for bulk sales. Plus, it's simple, compact, and meets a demand that never fades. And staying in the world of fast food, the next machine is going to blow you away. Number 7. Electric hot dog roller. Turn the smell of a freshly made hot dog into your best customer magnet. With an electric hot dog roller for $180, you'll be able to prepare delicious hot dogs no one can resist. The job is simple. Place the sausages, turn on the roller, and in minutes you've got hot dogs that are golden on the outside and juicy on the inside. From classics with ketchup to gourmet versions with caramelized onions, each one sells for between $2 and $5. It's portable, easy to use, and perfect for fairs, events, or a small stand. With a bit of creativity in the ingredients, you can turn a hot dog into a memorable experience. Want a machine just as simple but for desserts? Then the next machine is for you. Number 6. Electric waffle cup machine. Want to create desserts that attract customers? With a waffle cup maker for just $45, you can make hollow waffles ready to fill with ice cream, fruit, or cream, perfect for winning over social media. The best part is how easy they are to make. Pour in the batter, close the lid, and in minutes you've got a crispy, edible cup ready to personalize. Each one costs just cents to produce and sells for several dollars. They're ideal for fairs, food trucks, or delivery. You can offer sweet or savory options like waffles with egg and cheese, and you'll see customers posting photos of your creations. Without a doubt, it's a visual, low-cost business with huge potential. There are products that never go out of style, and the next one is definitely among them. Number 5. Rotisserie chicken machine. Is there any meal more reliable than a rotisserie chicken? I don't think so. And that's why with this rotisserie machine for $130, you can turn that mouth-watering smell into a business that attracts customers effortlessly. It's really easy. Season the chicken, place it in the machine, and in a few hours you've got a golden, juicy dish. Each chicken costs $7 to $8, including seasoning, and sells for $10 or more. It's ideal for selling from home, at fairs, or as a supplier to restaurants. Its simplicity and high demand make it a foolproof option. Add side dishes or homemade sauces, and you've got a complete, well-rounded business. For the heat, nothing beats a cold drink, and the next machine is perfect for that. Number 4. Mini frozen drink machine. Want to make the most of hot summers with icy drinks everyone will crave? With a mini frozen drink machine for $240, you can prepare slushies, snow cones, and smoothies so irresistible they basically sell themselves in minutes. And the process is super easy. Pour in the mix, turn on the machine, and you get drinks with perfect texture, and most importantly, ice cold. Each cup costs less than 50 cents to make and sells for between $1 and $2. Offer classic flavors like strawberry or lemon, or get creative with combos like mango and mint, or the irresistible taste of coconut. This machine is compact, easy to clean, and perfect for events or a mobile cart. With good presentation, your drinks will be a hit on social media. Now let's look at a low-cost machine with high potential. Number 3. Sausage making machine. More and more people are looking for natural foods, free of chemicals and full of authentic flavor. And you can deliver just that. With this sausage stuffer machine for $60, you can produce handcrafted sausages with ease and tap into a fast-growing market. It's as simple as preparing the meat mix with seasonings, loading the casing, and in minutes you've got sausages ready to cook or sell. You can produce between 10 and 20 kilos per day at a cost of $2 per kilo and a selling price of $4 to $6. To stand out in the market, you can personalize your flavors, smoked, spicy, or gourmet, and sell at fairs, restaurants, or via delivery. It's definitely a simple business with high demand and big potential to grow with your own brand. Now let's move on to the next machine, which makes a snack that everyone loves. Number 2. Plantain chip making machine. Want to break into the world of natural snacks, where demand just keeps growing? With a plantain slicer machine, you can produce crispy, healthy chips that practically sell themselves. It costs $140. With it, you'll slice plantains evenly, then fry or dehydrate them, and get perfect rounds ready to package. With flavors like sea salt, cinnamon, or spicy, each bag costs just cents to make and sells for $1 to $2. Pure profit. It's ideal to sell anywhere, anytime. With attractive packaging, you can even build your own brand. It's simple, affordable, and the market is growing. And now we've arrived at our final machine. Number 1. Smokeless rotating grill. If there's one thing you'll always find at a gathering or on a busy street, it's meat skewers. Easy, tasty, and cheap, they're a quick fix for hunger. And you can turn them into a profitable business that's simple to set up. With a smokeless rotating grill, you can cook meat and vegetables evenly, without strong smells, and from almost anywhere. Perfect for selling where others can't. Its price? $170. And how does it work? Super easy. Place the skewers, turn on the machine, and in minutes you've got meals ready to sell. Each one costs less than $1 to make and sells for $2 to $3. It produces no smoke or strong odors, making it ideal for fairs, delivery, or small spaces. Chicken and pineapple skewers, roasted vegetables. Creativity sells. It's compact, easy to use, and in high demand. A tasty business that's easy to scale. You're probably wondering where to find these machines. The good news is you don't need to look far. They're available on online stores like Amazon, Alibaba, or AliExpress, and they can be delivered right to your door. With an affordable investment, you could be taking the first step towards your own business. If you liked this video, leave a like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, which of these ideas would you choose to start with? See you in the next video with more tools to help you build your financial independence.